I found an AI that actually builds entire client funnels while I sleep. No prompts, no babysitting, just pure profit. Look, I've tried every AI tool out there. They all promise automation, but still need you holding their hand every step of the way. ClawMate AI is different. It's got this autonomous AI brain that plans your entire marketing strategy, then executes everything. I'm talking complete digital products, sales pages, email sequences, ad copy. Yesterday, I activated it for a fitness client. 20 minutes later, it had mapped out their market angle, created a lead magnet, built the funnel, and wrote converting copy, all while I was grabbing coffee. The best part, commercial license included. I'm charging clients $5K for what used to take me weeks, and now it happens overnight. No more late nights writing copy or wrestling with funnel building. This thing runs in background mode, constantly optimizing while you focus on growing your agency. Stop trading time for money and let AI scale your business automatically. Click below to get ClawMate AI and start building client funnels